Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to morph in PowerPoint. So first thing is just simply go to your slide. Now I want to add an animation morph on this slide. So you could just simply right click on this one and you could just simply go for duplicate slide. Now here on the duplicate slide, you can just simply click on a certain element and you can just simply put it outside. From here, once you put it outside, you can just simply put the others outside as well. So let's say I'm gonna put this text over here to outside. And now from here, we could just simply go for the animations on the top and then go for this one. Now we could just simply go to the transitions and go to the morph. And after that, just simply select this one as well and go for the morph. And now we go for the fourth presentation. And now let's say I want this presentation to pop up from the bottom. So right click on it and go for the duplicate slide. Now from here, you could just simply drag it down below as well, just like we did earlier. And after that, I want to move it from the bottom as well. And after that, go for the morph. And after that, go for the morph as well on this one. And now when we go to the presentation, guys, now guys, on the presentation, this is how it will look. And guys, remember that just be creative with it on how do you want things to turn out. And this is just a basic example for you to have a guide. And now you could just simply go ahead and do it on your own personal preferences on how do you want this to look. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.